In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to digitally sign your documents, Zoho Books. Zoho Sign integration. We'll walk through how to enable Zoho Sign inside Zoho Books so you can send documents for secure digital signatures directly from your accounting system. By the end, you'll have the integration activated and ready to use in your own account. First, open Zoho Books and sign into your organization as you normally would. Make sure you're logged into the correct organization, especially if you manage multiple businesses, because the integration is set up per organization. Once you're on the Zoho Books home dashboard, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. In the upper right, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click that. This is where you manage all your configurations in Zoho Books, including integrations. If you don't see it, you may need the right admin permissions, so double check that you're logged in as an administrator or someone with access to settings. Inside the settings area, look for the section called Integrations and Marketplace. This is a central hub for connecting Zoho Books with other apps and Zoho services. Click on Integrations and Marketplace to open that page. Within this section, you'll see different tabs or options. Find and click on Marketplace. The Marketplace is where all available extensions and add-ons are listed for Zoho Books. This is where we'll locate the Zoho Sign integration. Once the Marketplace loads, use the search bar at the top. Click in the search field and type Zoho Sign. Be sure to spell it correctly so the right extension appears. After typing, you should see a result specifically named Zoho Sign for Zoho Books. Click on Zoho Sign for Zoho Books to open the integration details page. Here, you'll see a description of what the integration does, along with any prerequisites or notes. It's a good idea to quickly review this so you know how the integration will behave with your documents and what permissions it needs. On this page, you'll find a button labeled Activate. Click on Activate to start enabling the integration. This is the key step that connects Zoho Books with Zoho Sign. After you click Activate, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These may include granting permission for Zoho Books to access Zoho Sign, confirming the organization, and accepting any terms of use. Take your time, read through each message, and confirm where needed. Once you've completed these prompts, the integration will be active, and you'll be ready to start sending